In a big win for Tesla, India says it will lower import taxes on certain EVs for companies committing to at least $500 million in investment and manufacturing facilities within 3 years. Tax rate will be 15% on cars costing $35,000 and above, down from 70 to 100% currently, so it's a big deal. However, a maximum of 40,000 EVs at the rate of not more than 8,000 per year would be permissible if the investment is of $800 million or more. The carryover, however, of unutilized annual import limits would be permitted. So while it is not a big number, it will allow Tesla to build superchargers in preparation for the compact car. Even though there's going to be a limit on how many cars can be imported, that's still a very big change compared to what it was before. India seemingly did not want to do anything, but now the things are changing. Currently, electric models made up about 2% of total car sales in India in 2023, and the infrastructure, I imagine, is not exactly great. The government's goal is to increase that number to 30% by 2030. Vietnamese EV maker VinFast also plans to invest $2 billion in India, and last month they already began constructing a local factory. Currently, because India is so poor, the car market over there is not big, but if the growth continues, the market will get substantially bigger. And India does not really like China. And the biggest competition for Tesla, I believe, is going to come from China. So Tesla can establish its foothold in India and practically have no serious competition. While India is not going to be a crucial market for Tesla in the next few years, 15 years from now, 20 years from now, I think we look at India and we'll say that is one of the most important markets for Tesla. Speaking about vehicle sales specifically. Jonas has a bullish note out today on Tesla stock. Our industry discussions suggest Elon Musk is spending increasing amounts of time focused on Optimus. Our $320 price target for Tesla is comprised of auto hardware, auto-related software, services, and energy-related businesses. While Tesla's competencies in computer vision, machine learning, AI, and robotics may have a multitude of adjacent commercial applications, we have not included such revenue streams, including Optimus, in our model or valuation at this time. This is something that I have been talking now for a little while. Elon Musk is spending more time on Tesla compared to before. And now we are hearing from other sources this is actually happening. I think for many of us Tesla stock investors, it is much easier to hold Tesla stock knowing that Elon Musk is actively focused on Tesla. Then, even if things get really bad, Elon Musk will focus more on Tesla and turn things around eventually. ARK Invest is buying more Tesla stock this time, significantly more than normal. $35 million worth of Tesla stock. This comes about a week after Cathie Wood was on TV saying that they are going to increase their Tesla stock price target. Their previous 5-year target was $2,000, so expect to see more now. And maybe you don't believe that Tesla stock is going to go there, but Cathie Wood clearly is very bullish on Tesla. Otherwise, why would she be buying more? Meet Kevin, though, sold his entire Tesla stock position, but contrary to some of the popular belief, he does not have a Tesla stock short position. It seems to me that Kevin is quite a bit more concerned about the short-term performance than the long-term performance, and he does say that for most people, the best strategy is to buy and hold. I see now why people think that Meet Kevin is shorting Tesla. His video is titled Going Short Tesla Stock. He doesn't say he's shorting it, but Meet Kevin is being a little bit naughty there, just like he often is with his titles and thumbnails. However, I'm reading some of the comments and people are saying I was hoping this was clickbait, and someone says it is, but then someone else replies it is not. If you are a course member, you can check it out easily. So I guess he is short. It's just not in his fund, I guess. I also watched the entire video from Kevin, and he's saying explicitly that he is only worried short term. In the long term, he seems still bullish on the company, but he's very worried about the short term, and specifically, he's really worried about interest rates not being cut as much as everyone is expecting, and that's one major reason why he sold his Tesla stock position.